How to download Harpa AI ChatGPT Chrome extension. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. Now this is a full guide on actually how to do this. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, search for Harpa AI, of course, and then go ahead and click on it. Now here you have a cool explanation on what it can exactly do. Now over here you can see that it can be used on Chrome, Brave, and Opera as well. And here you have the AI assisted search with a picture on the left how it looks like, then buy when price drops, page aware GPT prompts, track competitors, AI writer on any website whatsoever, which is pretty cool, summarize YouTube videos. Now this is actually something that I really like doing as well. And then you have some more information and then some more extensions for what it can be used for, and some reviews as well. Now over here you also have a couple of guides on how to actually get started as well. But yeah, how to actually add this, simply click on the big Add to Chrome button. Then right over here it says that it has over 100,000 users, and there's even more like an overview here as well. And here you simply have to click on Add to Chrome. Now for me it says remove from Chrome because I already have it installed. So simply click on here, and once you've done that, what I recommend doing is click on the puzzle icon at the top right corner. These are your extensions. You want to go ahead and pin the Harpa AI extension to Chrome, or else it doesn't show up here as you can see, but now it does. Now when you open up a new tab just like this and then open it up, Harpa AI will open in a full-on tab, as you can see. Here you have also a bunch of different settings, and this is the Harpa dashboard. Now how can you actually use this? Simply search for anything you would like to. So for example, how to make YouTube shorts. Then what you can do is simply click on Harpa AI and it will automatically put your search term in here. Now then, this is basically the AI assisted search where AI will answer your question. Now, this is actually really nice, as you can see. And then you can actually ask more questions. So, for example, what is the best way to make YouTube shorts? Then you can ask that as well. And then this will also be answered for your, for you as well, which is pretty cool. And so while we're at it, there's also here called the page aware settings and also the basic mode settings. So Harpa automatically sends relevant page content with prompts, allows you to talk to pages or PDF, or the basic mode, Harpa does not inject page context and is not aware of the open page content, same as ChatGPT. So you can choose whichever you would like. Here you can grab any text from the page. Here you can just import the full text from a full-on page. And here you also have 3 dots where you also have a bunch of different options as well, which also has some question marks with a quick explanation. Now the YouTube transcript is grayed out, as you can see. That is because we are currently not on a YouTube page. Now on the monitor tab, here you can also monitor a bunch of different things as well. So for example, on Amazon, you can monitor the price drops from a certain product, or in this case, for example, the value changes. You can actually start an automated monitoring. And then if you were to go over here, you can see it here in the dashboard. So for example, the monitor page, you can see everything that you are monitoring in here as well, which is cool. For example, when I'm here in this YouTube short, I can actually open up this again. And I actually have a couple of commands which you can do. So if you type in /, you can actually have like many commands. But you can also search for /YouTube, just like this. We have a couple of different commands as well. So YouTube video summary. So if I were to do this, will now summarize this YouTube short as well, which is actually really nice for you. So yeah, that is kind of it. That's how to download Harpa AI ChatGPT Chrome extension and how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.